All right, let's jump right in here. I got a real quick, easy recipe for you. Mongolian beef, or venison in this case. We got here a third of a cup of brown sugar, third of a cup of soy sauce, 2 or 3 cloves, garlic, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, a teaspoon of minced ginger, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You can add more if you like it hot. Green onion, 3/4 of a pound to a pound of venison stew meat, and some white rice. Starting a few pieces of meat at a time, cover with some plastic wrap. Otherwise, you'll be picking bits of meat out of every nook and cranny of your kitchen for months. We're gonna pound it out flat because we're gonna be cooking it hot and fast. And with venison, it will get tough on you if you maintain those whole cuts of meat like we had before. Let's give it a quick salt and pepper. Next, we wanna do a quick dust and flip with cornstarch. Before we go any further, let's jump on the rice and get it going. Here's one of the tricks to really perfect rice, and that's to rinse it. While we're waiting on the rice to cook, let's get our onions cut up. Let's go ahead and combine everything we're gonna use to make the sauce. We're just gonna cook this on low heat, and we just wanna kind of thicken it up and get it ready to put the meat in after the meat's cooked. I like to add a few chili peppers. I like the flavor and I like the look. Just add a few tablespoons of oil to a skillet. I prefer cast iron myself. We're averaging about 350 in this pan. It's gonna be hotter in different parts, so you may have to move things around, but we're just gonna fry these in batches, and when we're all done, we'll add it back to the sauce. And we only need about a minute per side or so, minute and a half per side, as thin as these are. It doesn't take much to cook them. All right, that's about the color you're looking for. So let's go ahead and add the meat to the sauce, and we're gonna add our green onions to it. I just wanna kind of wilt them a little bit. That's all it takes. Now all we have to do is throw it on top of a bed of rice and maybe garnish it with a little bit of sesame seed if you'd like. And there you have it. Pretty easy meal, less than 30 minutes. Get it on the table, feed the family.